Visit CctvSystems.ca for more tips and tricks. Open the DMSS app on your phone. Press 3 dots on the right side of your camera system and choose Device Details. Scroll down and press Remote Configuration. Then tap on Arm/Disarm by period. Enable it. Tap the Arm/Disarm period. Choose the time you want the system to be disarmed. Set the time for the first period, and then enable the second period, and set the time. For example, this setup disarms the system from 11 p.m. till 6 a.m. the next day. Repeat this action for each day you want to set up the Arm/Disarm period. After you finish set up the schedule, tap Save. Please note, Arm/Disarm by period option will work only if your system is upgraded to the latest firmware version. Visit CctvSystems.ca for more tips and tricks.